If you misuse should and must in your sentences, you may end up confusing your listeners. In this video, I'll give you the clear difference between them and exactly when to use them in sentences. Okay? Use should when you are to offer advice to someone or suggestion. It is also used for recommendation. That means whatever you use should to say is optional to your listener. Optional. Now, when do we use must? We use must for rules, for necessity. That is something necessary. Also for obligation. So if we use must for rules, necessity, or obligation, it means must is used for something that is compulsory. And when something is compulsory, it means it is not optional. Okay? In other words, anything you use must to say is not optional. Now let's answer these questions so that you will know the exact time to use should and must in your sentences. Okay? 1. You blank see a doctor if you feel very sick. Now we are talking about someone being very sick. That means it is necessary to see a doctor. So it is a must to see a doctor. You must see a doctor if you feel very sick. 2. You blank drink more water every day. This is advice. You are advising someone to drink more water every day. So for advice, use should. This means that he or she can decide to take your advice or not, so it is optional. Should is correct. You should drink more water every day. 3. Students blank wear uniforms to school. This is a school rule. When talking about a rule, use must. Students must wear uniforms to school. 4. You blank try that new restaurant. It's very good. This is a recommendation. It is my recommendation for you. So it is optional for you to try the new restaurant. Therefore, should is the right word to use here. You should try that new restaurant. It's very good. 5. Drivers blank stop at a red light. This is a driving rule, so it is compulsory to adhere to rules. That means must is correct. Drivers must stop at a red light. 6. You blank apologize for your mistakes. This is advice to you. It is not compulsory to apologize. It is optional. So, should is correct here. 7. I blank finish this work before tomorrow. This is a strong obligation. It's a personal obligation. So it is very necessary, very important to finish the work before tomorrow. That means must is correct in this case. I must finish this work before tomorrow. 8. You blank exercise regularly to stay healthy. This is a general advice. The listener can decide to follow the advice or not. So it is optional. Should is correct here. 9. Employees blank arrive on time. This is a work rule. It is compulsory for employees to arrive on time. Must is correct here. I have made a video on how to use on time and in time. Please check this channel to find out the video and watch it. You will understand the clear difference between on time and in time. Then, you blank call your mother more often. This is a suggestion. It is my suggestion that you call your mother more often. So, should is correct here. 11. Visitors blank show their ID before entering. This is a strict rule, a very strict rule for entry. It is the requirement for visitors to be allowed in. So must is correct here. 12. You blank take an umbrella, it might rain. This is advice. It is my advice to you to take an umbrella. I feel it might rain, so my advice to you is to take an umbrella. So should is correct because it is optional. 13. I blank remember to send that email today. The sentence suggests that this is something very important that I just have to do today. It is an obligation or a necessity. So must is correct here. 14. You blank be more careful next time. What do you think about this one? Should or must? Which one is correct? Thank you for watching. Please like the video. I'll see you again in my next grammar class.